We are diving into the world of advanced packaging solutions with r-pac Vietnam. With 6 top manufacturing facilities across Vietnam, they achieved the top 10 Asia Excellence brand in 2023, thanks to their strong commitment. Are you ready to explore r-pac Vietnam? Let's dive right in. Hi, Miss Kate, the sales director from r-pac Vietnam. It's an honor to have you here with us today.
Hi, nice to meet you too. I'm Kay, Sales Director of r-pac Vietnam. We are very honored to participate in the virtual show hosted by Global Success Fair Vietnam.
I can't wait to dive in the factory of r-pac Vietnam. Let's go.
Let's go.
Dedication to label and packaging is truly commendable. Can you tell our audience a bit more about r-pac Vietnam?
It is our great honor to participate in the virtual show hosted by Global Success Fair Vietnam.
Thank you so much.
Being a part of the professional group, r-pac Vietnam is one of the leading businesses in the labels and packaging. We are the largest in the industry, and we are the fastest growing within the industry too.
Wow. So impressive.
r-pac is a reliable supplier to many different customers in the different fields. So we supply to the apparel industry, toys, furniture, home appliance, tools, hardware, and FMCG. We supply the labels and packaging to our vendor, and our vendor ship the products to their customer in the US, in Europe, in Japan, in Korea, and all other countries.
Wow, so impressive.
This is our printing area. We have the offset technology, and we have the digital technology here. And this is our 6-color machine. And over there we have the 5-color machine.
Wow.
Welcome to r-pac flagship facility. Let me introduce to you about r-pac products.
Sure, I'm so excited to hear more.
So r-pac can offer the very high-end printing technology. We can offer from the offset, digital, flexo, and Rovo and thermal printing.
I heard that r-pac is renowned for its advanced printing technology. Can you tell me more about your standout offerings?
We can offer very high range of product portfolio. We can offer from the woven label to printed label, the heat transfer, the size strip, the sticker, and of course in terms of the packaging, we can supply from the small box to the bigger corrugated box, the rigid box, and even the master carton.
Wow.
And of course we also offer the RFID solution, from the RFID tags to the RFID woven label, RFID printed label, and then even to the RFID software, include tabletop and RFID tunnel.
Wow, amazing. Can you show me a bit more about r-pac's product?
Yes, let me show you this.
Sure.
So you see that this one is the woven label. We are offering different main label to different buyer. So this one is we have the facility to produce on the woven label here, and then you will see that we have different size strip, and then we have different sticker with different color, and we can print up to 7 color. And for this one is the heat transfer. We can offer from the silicon heat transfer to the raised silicon heat transfer.
Wow.
And even 3D and anti-migration heat transfer.
Amazing.
And for the printed label, we also can offer different material, include the recycle and biodegradable material. And of course, for the hand tag, we can offer very high-end hand tag, include normal paper, graph paper, and with different design from the different finishing. And of course, we do have the RFID hand tag.
Wow.
Yeah, and then you see this one different color box that is using for the apparel.
Wow.
And you will see that this one is also the another product that we are offering to Lacoste. This one is for the underwear box with the window badge, and then we are using the FSC paper.
Wow, amazing. Looking ahead, so can you provide us a sneak peek that r-pac is set to reveal in 2024?
So we continue to improve ourselves, and then we are very committed to the environment. We continue to use the biodegradable material, recycled material, and we continue to develop the new material that can give ourselves into the net zero like pollution, and we continue to improve ourselves, looking for like a different substrate, different material that can like protect the environment.
Wow, amazing. The factory tour was really impressive. So can you share a little bit about the highlight, unique selling point of r-pac Vietnam?
Sure. r-pac Vietnam is a professional printer in the packaging industry with the obvious advantages. We have the global footprint in over 30 countries. We can offer the quality consistency across all the region. And we have the end-to-end service with the widest product portfolio within the industry. In r-pac Vietnam, we have 6 manufacturing locations in the north and in the south of Vietnam, giving the short lead time on the transportation, and we can save a lot on the transportation costs. And we have like 30 years experience in the labels, and we have 15 years experience in the packaging. And we have the best workforce in the industry, and we are very skilled and very well trained. And we have the nomination from the big buyers like Walmart, Target, Just Wireless, Best Buy, Gap, Levi's, and all other retailers.
Wow.
And we won the top 10 ASEAN Excellent Brand with the leading quality and products and service in 2022. And we also meet the safety, security, and order the stand up in Yung Provincial People Committee in 2022.
Wow, that's incredible achievement. So for our audience to find the r-pac offerings, where can they find you?
They can click on send the inquiry, and welcome to r-pac anytime. We do have like the hotline and like the email with the company info. You can send an inquiry to us anytime.
Yeah.
And welcome the inquiry from all of you guys.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Kate, for this insightful conversation. For our audience to find out more about r-pac Vietnam, you can find the amazing product that they are offering at our show, Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam 2024 in April from 24th to 26th at SECC District 7. Pre-register now to stay updated on the latest innovation and offerings from amazing company r-pac Vietnam at our show, Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam. Thank you. Before we move to the next supplier, take a few minutes to watch the video Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam 2024.